Hello students, last video we seen the introduction of .NET. Now in this video I am going to discuss .NET framework architecture. .NET framework architecture. So this is the architecture of .NET framework. This is the architecture of .NET framework. .NET framework can consist of VB, C++, C Sharp, J Sharp, etc. Then next, common language specification. Then the next layer can consist ASP.NET Windows Forms. ASP.NET can contain web forms, web services. The next layer is ADO.NET and XML. The next layer is base class library. The next, common language runtime. The next, operating system, and last, Visual Studio. In layer 1, we have C Sharp.NET, VB.NET, C Sharp.NET, C++, etc. All are these supporting language of .NET. All are these supporting language of .NET. Layer 1 stands for supporting language. In layer 2, we have CLS. CLS stands for Common Language Specification. Common Language Specification. CLS is a set of specification that language CLS is a set of specification that language and library designer need to follow. In layer 3, we have ASP.NET Windows Form. ASP.NET can contain web forms, web services. That means it will be contain console application, web application, Windows application, console application, web application, Windows application. These all are types of application. So layer 3 stands for the types of application. So layer 3 stands for the types of application. With the help of language only we are going to develop the application. With the help of only we are going to develop the application. In layer 4 we have ADO.NET and XML. ADO.NET stands for Active Data Object and XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. By using ADO.NET, act as a mediator between front-end and back-end application. By using this ADO.NET, we can store our data permanently in the SQL server. By using this ADO.NET, we can store our data permanently in the SQL server, where XML is the temporary storage of data. Where XML is the temporary storage of data. The next layer is layer 5. We have BCL. Long form of BCL is Base Class Library and FCL is Framework Class Library. In C or C++, we called as header files. In Java, we called as packages. And come to the .NET, we called as class library. The next layer 6, CLR. CLR stands for Common Language Runtime. CLR stands for Common Language Runtime. CLR is the heart of .NET framework. CLR is the heart of .NET framework. It is also runtime engine of our .NET. It is also runtime engine of our .NET. The next layer 7, operating system. Operating system, we can install either 32-bit or 64-bit. After that installing the software, our IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment of our .NET, is Microsoft Visual Studio IDE, where we are going to develop a application. That is, we have support language of C Sharp.NET, VB.NET, where we develop the application. So, this is the video of .NET framework architecture.